Hey guys, I've got something a little bit different for you today. So, something I've had a lot of requests for is a video tutorial series on doing a fursuit head refurb. Now, this is something I haven't actually done myself yet, so it's going to be a little bit different for me, and it was a little bit difficult for me to do a tutorial for you guys. So, what I've gone ahead and done is I've bought in this cheese and onion party mix box, I've bought a head that is due for a refurb. So I looked around on a couple of different sales sites on Facebook and things like that, looking for something that I could do a good refurb on. I found this contender. I think it's pretty good. This came in on Friday and it's now Monday, so I've struggled to not open this all weekend. But I've had such a busy weekend and I wanted to open this on camera for you guys so you can take the first look at this as well as me. So without further ado, I'm going to start chopping into this box. Then I'm going to be able to talk to you guys about what I think I'm going to need to do with this suit head. And then I'm actually thinking I'm going to do a live stream of it. So we can go through the process together. I can learn what I'm doing and talk to you guys about why I'm doing things based on my research and what experience I have with the actual structure and construction of suit heads as it is. So let's take a look and see what we've got. Now, the person I bought this off doesn't know who the original maker is. Basically, they knew their first name from Facebook, but that was about it. So, unfortunately, I've not been able to contact the original maker and see if they want to be named. If you are the original maker, do feel free to give me a shout. Also, I'm really sorry if I end up talking pretty bad about some of the construction on this head. I've been told it really needs a heavy refurb, and that's the sort of thing I was totally looking for. So, we are in. Just about. Hello, friend. Okay. So, this is the first time I'm seeing this, as well as you guys. So, it's a pretty cute head. I think it's got some potential. The plastic on the eyes is super thin. It actually kind of feels like a drinks bottle of some kind. The mesh is painted cross-stitch fabric. It looks kind of like I'm going to barely be able to see through this, so that's great. You can see the fur is kind of choppy. It's just been glued around the mouth area here. It's actually coming apart in places. I'm not sure if you can see that there very well. So it's going to need a total refurb. The teeth are made of a sort of a cheap fabric, looks like an old sheet or something. So definitely going to need new teeth. The tongue's pretty cute, it's pretty plush. I like it, it's not too bad. Definitely going to need ourselves a new nose on this one. It's a little bit blocky, the fabric's a little bit worn. Hello Leah, are you okay? My cat wants to know what's going on. Some new ears. It has been sewn. The fur to the fabric on the ears, that is sewn, so that's good. They're pretty chunky as well, they're pretty hefty. So let's take a look on the inside. Okay. So this has been lined with an old t-shirt. The lining is not glued down at all. Could definitely do with a bit of a wash, a bit of care here. So there's fleece lining the mouth and the eyes on the inside of this, but it's been glued down pretty badly, so this lining needs to come out. It needs a completely new lining. The neck could probably do with a little bit of shaping, but overall the fur is actually in pretty good condition. It's not too bad at all. The ivory here, it was traced on the back with a blue Sharpie, so you can see it through the ivory fur here. But pretty happy with this purchase. Fur is a little bit wonky glued on, there's wrinkles in it and it's kind of loose and stuff, so what I'm going to be doing is completely taking off the fur replacing the eyes, maybe a little bit of attention to the foam work. It depends on what it looks like underneath. I'm going to see if I can use the same fur. Definitely needs new fur on the front of the muzzle though, because it's been trimmed super short. It's not even glued here, look. This is going to definitely need some work. So new eyes, new nose, new inner mouth, new ears, maybe some new fur, and definitely new lining. But overall I'm pretty happy with this as a purchase. I think it's going to make a really cute refurb head. I'm still deciding what I'm going to do with the head, possibly a no reserve auction. So that could be pretty cool. But yeah, I'm looking forward to work with this guy. Definitely need a little bit of love and care, don't you, my friend? Yeah, you do. That fur's been glued. Oh, it's barely even been glued. There's gaping holes here. So this is going to be fun. I'm going to really enjoy this project. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Feel free to suggest names for this character. I would love to hear your name suggestions. I really want to sort of give him a name early on so I can actually refer to this as a specific character project. That would be really nice instead of just, yeah, that blue guy. And I'm really looking forward to this as a project. Hope you guys are looking forward to it too. Please feel free to leave any suggestions or comments in the comments section. Any comments about this build or what you think I should do with the head at the end, things like that. And we'll sort of see how it goes from there, really. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. And I hope to see you guys for the live stream and for the construction on our new head. Thanks!